Okay, you can see I got it going. I didn't have to charge anything up. The battery's almost full. So I guess it's cleaning the room now. And I went to the website, and the video is very, very explanatory. It tells you what you do for different scenarios, and this is pretty slick. So I'm going to let it go for a while, and you can see what it's doing. I think this thing is awesome, and I got to tell you, I've had another robotic vacuum. You probably know which one I'm talking about. It starts with an R. We quit using that probably about 2-3 years ago, and I think this one's going to be really, really nice. So hopefully this little video helps. All right.